careful, careful, careful. Done with or showing thought and attention.
Viraj, I got her a new rattle. Go bring it for her quickly.
Okay.
I kept it in her cot, okay?
Okay.
Will you play with your new rattle?
Where could it be? Oh, it might be here. Oh no, it's not here. I cannot see it anywhere.
It's there on the cot. Look carefully.
Let's see where it is. It could be over here. It's still not there.
Look under the pillow. I remember keeping it there.
Where is it? Found it.
Okay. See, you have to look carefully. There's it. Here it is. Look at this.
Let's use careful in a sentence now. Tina found her bag after she looked for it carefully.